Ranju ya दादा Ranju Penguine ल Chloe खै Hi सानो हेर Wow Snow is snowing Is it snowing guys
Let the expedition commence. We're on to the shores of beautiful Victoria. This island
Itu kesana kan Chloe Bye Dada
I'm sure we'll find the colonies of friendly King and Jenny today. Start looking. They might be out swimming or chilling out on the ice.
Penguins हेर Chloe हेर त Wow so cool Wow हेर यहाँ पनि Penguins हेर Chloe माउथ हेर न Chloe यहाँ हेर
King and Gen 2 penguins spotted on the landmass ahead. Keep as quiet as you
कति धेरै penguin हेर सानो Nice and cold
We have to be quiet.
Yes Ooh जाडो भयो
Why you have sleep?
जाडो भयो Ah
You not sleep that's cold.
Oh it's very cold अगाडि हेर सानो अगाडि हेर Hi
We have to sit down.
Chloe यहाँ हेर फोटो खिचौँ रन्जु यता हेर त अथर यता हेर न अमिषा यता हेर मामुले यता आन्टीले यता हेर ल सानो स्माइल एभ्रिवान नाइस आयो 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 Poor Dada Yeah say hi to those people Amisha Hi Gadi सानो हेर न यहाँ पेङ्गुइनहरूलाई यहाँ
looks like we've got some wet weather up ahead.
wet weather अरे पानी आउँछ होला है